Indian Resuscitation Council Federation ki MAKHA Basic Cardiopulmonary Life Support Bcls amati Comprehensive Cardiopulmonary Life Support CCLS ke matangda training course among se Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS ke examination hall the Pangthokhre Tauramaduda RIMS ke Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma RIMS Hospital के Medical Superintendent Professor N Sanjeev, RIMS Academics के Dean Professor Akwaizam Brozen, RIMS के Anesthesiology Department के Head Professor Gozendra Rajkumar amade Guwahati de Leba City Hospital के Critical Care के Senior Consultant Dr. Reshu Gupta na Maruoiba Mitunglen Singh Oina Sarkya ke Tauramaduga Mari Lendana Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma hai National Medical Commission के mandate के matung inna life saving procedure sing ase Laibak asige oina post graduation tauriba doctor singe oina changraba yadraba training makal amane procedure sing ase yaudrabasu doctor ama oirabadi ABCD amasung CPR ge knowledge ningtina leiduna mathau tarakpa matamda mioibagi punsi kanba ngamgadabane amaromda RIMS ke Department of Anesthesiology na Training of Trainers Program ase pangthoktuna ahenba loksing kaya trainers sing da piriba ase thagat ningai ne masina lamdam ase khaktan natana atopa state sing amade mahiroi kaya da sandokhiduna kana bapiba ngamlagani haike